fire up your taste buds and get ready to embrace the smoky goodness. If you're tired of bland burgers and lackluster steaks, it's time to upgrade your grilling game with the best charcoal grills on the market. These sizzling machines are the secret weapon for every backyard enthusiast and culinary daredevil. Say goodbye to gas and hello to that classic charcoal flavor that makes your friends swoon. Join us as we dive into the world of charcoal grilling bliss, because life's too short for mediocre meat. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Weber Original Kettle Premium, our pick for best budget charcoal grill. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game without breaking the bank? Look no further than the Weber Original Kettle Premium, your new best friend in charcoal grilling. Setting it up is a breeze. Spending just 15 to 20 minutes getting it ready means you can dive right into whipping up your favorite grilled delights without wrestling with confusing instructions. Moving this grill around? Easy peasy. Just remember to hold on to the lid. It's kind of like that one friend who can't be trusted to stay put. Move it too quickly, and you might be juggling a lid that has a mind of its own. Unfortunately, there aren't any hinges, so don't expect to find a cozy spot for it while you cook. Simplicity is the name of the game here. With adjustable dampers at both ends, you're in charge of convection and temperature control without a PhD in engineering. And while it might not have the intricate features of a space shuttle, this grill packs a punch with its searing capabilities and low-temperature smoking finesse. Adding charcoal? Child's play. Thanks to the hinged grate, you can toss in unlit coals like a pro. With a generous 363 square inches of cooking space, this compact champion is perfect for backyard bashes or those cozy family gatherings. So go ahead, fire it up, and savor the ease and quality that the Weber Original brings to your outdoor cooking escapades. Number 4. Char-Griller Akorn, our pick for best tabletop charcoal grill. Are you ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game? Meet the Char-Griller Akorn, the ultimate tabletop charcoal grill that's about to become your new best friend. This portable powerhouse brings all the smoky goodness wherever you roam, whether you're tailgating, camping, or just enjoying a backyard barbecue with friends. Its sleek gray design isn't just a feast for the eyes. It's built with triple-wall steel, ensuring your food stays hotter than a gossip at a family reunion. Say goodbye to the dreaded ash cleanup with the ingenious Easy Dump Ash Pan. One quick scoop, and you're back to enjoying the sizzle of your grilled masterpieces. No need for a hazmat suit here. With 155 square inches of cooking space, you'll have room for everything from burgers to veggies, all nestling atop sturdy cast iron grates for that perfect sear. Heat distribution? Spot on. The Akorn holds heat like a ceramic champ, making sure every bite is as delicious as the last. Plus, its locking lid keeps everything securely inside, so you can transport and serve with confidence, not crumbs. So, are you ready to impress your guests and tantalize those taste buds? The Char-Griller Akorn isn't just a grill, it's your ticket to smoky, mouth-watering perfection. Still searching for the perfect charcoal grill? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Royal Gourmet CC2036F, our pick for best barrel charcoal grill. Are you ready to elevate your grilling game to legendary status? The Royal Gourmet CC2036F is not just any barrel charcoal grill. It's your ticket to hosting epic cookouts that'll have your friends and family singing your praises. With a jaw-dropping 668 square inch of cooking grates, plus a 260 square inch warming rack, and an offset smoker boasting an extra 272 square inch, you'll have ample space to whip up a feast fit for a barbecue king or queen. But wait, there's more. That side offset smoker is your secret weapon, perfect for imparting that smoky goodness to your tri-tip, or creating delicious side dishes that'll steal the show. The adjustable charcoal pan means you wield the power of heat control, allowing you to turn your meat into melt-in-your-mouth perfection. Plus, with a capacity to hold up to 7.7 pounds of coal, you'll keep the flames roaring long into the night. Tending to your charcoal is a breeze too. The side charcoal door, equipped with a heavy-duty handle, lets you easily manage fuel without removing all the grates. Say goodbye to the hassle of juggling grill components. Get ready to conquer the outdoors with the Royal Gourmet CC2036F. Your backyard is about to become the hottest destination for amazing barbecue adventures, and your reputation as the grill master will be set in stone, stake stone to be exact. Number 2, Kamado Joe Classic II, our pick for best Kamado-style charcoal grill. Are you ready to level up your grilling game? Meet the Kamado Joe Classic II, the ultimate charcoal grilling master that's just waiting to make you the envy of every backyard barbecue. Boasting an impressive 18-inch ceramic surface, it's the perfect size for cooking up a storm, whether you're sizzling steaks or slow roasting a Sunday feast. Plus, you'll love the heavy-duty cart with locking wheels. This beauty isn't going anywhere. But let's talk about the secret sauce of this grill, the two-tier divide and conquer system. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Cook your brisket low and slow on one tier while veggies sear to perfection on the other, all at different temperatures. Your culinary creativity is about to go into overdrive. Worried about airflow? Not with the control tower top vent. It's designed for precision, ensuring that you can maintain a steady temperature from a cozy 225 degrees Fahrenheit for smoking to a blazing 750 degrees Fahrenheit for searing. And don't fret about heavy lifting. The airlift hinge makes opening the dome so easy you could almost do it with a pinky. So, get ready to grill like a pro with the Kamado Joe Classic II, where every meal is a masterpiece waiting to happen. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Weber Performer Deluxe, our pick for best charcoal grill overall. Are you ready to take your grilling game to legendary status? Meet the Weber Performer Deluxe, the superhero of charcoal grills. This beauty isn't just a grill, it's your trusty sidekick in the quest for backyard barbecue supremacy. With a 22-inch porcelain enameled bowl and lid, you've got a spacious 363 square inches to unleash your inner grill master. Whether you're slow cooking ribs or searing steaks, this bad boy will have you covered. And we know lighting charcoal can be a chore, but fear not. The electronic touch-and-go gas ignition system is here to save the day. With just the push of a button, you'll be infusing your food with that unbeatable charcoal flavor in no time. Let's not forget about cleanup. The aluminized steel one-touch cleaning system paired with a high-capacity aluminum ash catcher means you can bid farewell to the dreaded grill grime struggle. Instead, you can focus on what really matters, perfecting your grilling techniques. And because you deserve to be in control of your culinary destiny, the removable LCD cook timer and built-in lid thermometer will help you nail that perfect cook every single time. So, whether you're hosting a cookout or simply looking to impress your neighbors, the Weber Performer Deluxe transforms your grilling experience into something extraordinary. Get ready for compliments. You might just be the rock star of the backyard. Woo, we made it! That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best charcoal grills. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which charcoal grill you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.